My name is Jeremy Albrecht. I'm a team manager for the Joe Gibbs Racing team. The 450 side, we made little improvements, but really most of the development this year has been on the new 250 bike. So new 250, doing a lot of engine work, so it's been really good to work with JE and make all our custom pistons and test them and then put it in development. So yeah, a lot of good stuff. Bikes are running great. Hopefully we get some good starts and go prove that these things are fast.
Hi, I'm Dean Baker with the Joe Gibbs Racing motocross team. I'm in charge of engine development for both the 250 and 450 motorcycles. Working with JE Pistons for a good number of years now, we've had a great relationship and the ability to customize our pistons for our specific needs. Great asset to have a partner like that, as well as gaining the performance advantages that we do in using those pistons.